Okay students, let's start the new topic. Okay, so today now we are going to learn the last operation of integers, that is division of integers. So we have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, and now finally we have come to division of integers. Okay, division of integers, the rule of signs is exactly like multiplication. Okay, so rule number 1, rule 1, when two integers have same sign, divide and put the positive sign. So it's same like multiplication of integers. When two integers have same sign, divide and put the positive sign. Okay, for example, negative 8 divided by negative 2. Two integers are having same sign. What are the signs here? Negative for 8 and negative for 2. When they have same sign, divide it. 8 and 2. You know to divide. 8 divided by 2. I hope all of you know to divide. 8 divided by 2. That is, just say the tables of 2. In 2's table, 8 how many times? Yes, 4 times. So we get the answer 4. And they are having same sign. So the answer is positive 4. Okay, that is rule number 1. Next is second rule, rule number 2. Different sign. When they have different sign, when two integers have different sign, what you have to divide and put the negative sign. Divide and put the negative sign. So the rule is same like multiplication. Instead of multiplying operation, we are doing division. That's all. Okay. So example, positive 8. Same numbers you can take with different sign. Negative 2. Okay. Divide it. 8 and 2 when you divide, you will get 4. Okay. And positive and negative, different sign. So what do you have to do? You have to put the negative sign. Okay, so I hope you understood the rule. Rule is exactly same like the multiplication of integers. Let's have once again the look on the rule. When two integers have same sign, divide and put the positive sign. Okay, when two integers have different sign, divide and put the negative sign. So let's solve few questions which will help you to get thorough with the rule of division. Okay. So, negative 35 divided by negative 7. Okay, so here we are coming to the rule when two integers have same sign and division. Okay, so when two integers have same sign and division comes, divide, that is 5 and 7. When you divide, what you get? Okay, you will get 5. What does the rule says? When they have same sign, we put the positive sign. Okay, next one, B. Negative 13 divided by positive 13. They have different sign. Look the sign finally. First you do the division. 13 divided by 13. 13 is table 13 how many times? How many times 13 is table 13? Exactly, 1 time. So it will become negative 1. How come the negative? Because they are having different signs. So the rule says, the second rule says, when the two integers have different sign, divide and put the negative sign. Okay. Next one, C. Negative 16 divided by bracket negative 8 divided by 4. Okay, so here it's division, but the question is in a different form. Don't expect always the question in the direct form. The questions can come in more complicated form, okay? But still the operation is division. But remember children, when the question has a bracket, first we should focus on the bracket. Inside bracket, what is the operation? Yes, of course, the operation is division. So first we will do the division of the integers inside the bracket, okay? So negative 16 divided by, first we are doing the division between negative 8 and 4, okay? Negative 8 and positive 4. Forget about this, forget about the signs, just divide 8 and 4. 8 and 4, which means the 4's table 8. How many times? 4's table. 4's table. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. So in 4's table, 8 is coming 2 times. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay? Now think about the sign. Negative 8 and positive 4. Which rule comes? Different sign rule. So when different sign rule comes, the answer would be negative. So negative 2. So negative 16 divided by negative 2. Okay? So the complicated question has put into a smaller, the simpler form. Now we need to again look at the operation. What's the operation here again? It's again division. Okay? Division between the integers negative 16 and negative 2. So 16 and 2 when you divide. Okay? 2's table. Think 2's table. 16 how many times? How many times 2's table? 16. 2 8s are 16. So 8 times. Okay? Now check the sign. Both are same sign. So it will be positive 8. Okay? So that's the answer, positive 8. Next coming to question C. Sorry, D. Question D. Bracket. Negative 9 plus negative 3 divided by negative 3 plus negative 3. See, look at the question. Read the question. Again more complicated with brackets. When brackets are there, what we have to do? We have to catch the brackets first. Okay? So catch the brackets and solve. Catch the brackets and check what is the operation. So in the first bracket, the operation is plus. Okay? So negative 9 plus negative 3. So we get negative 12. When two integers are same sign, add and put the same sign. Then middle operation, division. Okay? Then the next bracket, two integers are having same sign. So we get negative 6. So that both the brackets are solved. Now the question has come to a shorter form, simpler form. Division between negative 12 and negative 6. So when you divide negative 12 and negative 6, what do we get? 6 table 12. 2 times. So the answer is 2. Both are negative. So the answer would come positive. Okay. So we did some questions of division with complicated form as well as the simpler form. Okay. Then we have another question is verify. We have verify question. Verify, not solve, verify. A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B, A divided by B plus A divided by C. It's like distributive property we have discussed in multiplication. A instead of A into, it's divided. But here it is given that it's not equal to. So when verification comes, LHS, RHS and show they are not equal. Okay. So A equals to 20, B equals to negative 10 and C C is equals to 5. So what we are going to do first? Let's solve the left hand side, LHS. Left hand side, that is A divided by B plus C is equal to A, put the value 20 divided by B. What is your B value? Negative 10 plus C value 5. Okay. When there is a small bracket coming inside for a negative integer, make sure that you should put a square bracket outside. Okay, differentiate the brackets. What did I say? When we have brackets, solve the brackets first. Negative 10 plus 5. What is the operation? Yes, the operation is addition. When we have two integers with a different sign for addition, we have to add, subtract and put the bigger number sign. So 20 divided by, subtracting, we'll get 5 negative 5 because bigger number sign. Now division. Two integers are having different sign. So divide, 20 divided by 5. Come on children, 20 divided by 5. 5 is table 20. How many times? Yes, 4 times. So answer comes 4. What would be the sign? Same sign or different sign? They are having different sign, right? So when different sign comes, what we should put? Yes, negative. So negative 4. That is the answer of left hand side. Now we have RHS, the right hand side, which is equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Let's replace A, B, C by the values. What we get? A, 20 divided by B, negative 10. Put a big bracket, plus 20 divided by C, 5. Okay, so we get 20 divided by negative 10. Division, two integers operation division. Okay, different signs. So we get 20 divided 10 is table 20. 10 is table 20. How many times? 2 times. So negative 2 divided by 20 divided by 5, 4. So we get negative 2 divided by 4. See children, negative 2 divided by 4 can be written as negative 2 by 4. Okay, so which is answer? Negative 1 by 2. So can you see now left hand side and right hand side? Are the answers same? No, the answers are totally different. That's what the question says. Is not equal to. So what we can say? LHS is not equal to RHS. So hence verified. It is not equal. That's the meaning of verification. Clear?